I am obsessed with this packaging, you guys. Hey guys, finally I am back. Yeah, hi, Patricia here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another day, another beauty talk. It's good to be back, you guys, with the DIOR Holiday 2024 Makeup Collection. So yeah, I'm doing a haul in this video. So I hope you stick around until the end of this video. And let's be friends, you guys. Yeah, let's get this started because we have 3 boxes here. If you are following me on Instagram, you know how much I am obsessed with this collection, you guys. Your Holiday 2024 collection. This year is so stunning, guys. The design, everything, and the details are just so pretty. And this is the box looks like, you guys. Another box to keep. I cannot throw these beautiful boxes. No way. I'm keeping this for sure until the end of time. Charot. So I'm starting with the biggest box I've got. So okay, this is the big box. So yeah, we have here freebies, of course, always. They will give you freebies in every purchase. If you purchase it in their official store, Dior official store, physical or online. So I have here the 5-color DIORSHOW Eyeshadow Palette in the shade 643 Golden Masquerade. And this is how it looks like, you guys. The packaging is in gold. Very Christmas. Yeah, this is Christmas collection 2024. Very festive. And this is how the palette looks like. Golden Masquerade. It is really stunning, you guys. I am so excited to try this on, guys. Yeah, I have to be honest, I haven't touched this yet. Because you know me, I need time to admire the design, the imprint. This is so pretty, you guys. And this is the illuminating powder, you guys. Look how pretty is the packaging. I can't stop admiring this packaging, you guys. I will display this on my vanity desk, definitely. This is in the shade 001. And next is 002. This is 002, you guys. This is 001. This one here is 002. I am obsessed with this packaging, you guys. OMG. Then, because I am obsessed with this design, I also purchased the cushion compact case. But I did not get the refill yet because the shade, my shade, was currently unavailable. So yeah, I'm waiting for the restock. So this is how the compact foundation case look like. It is, yeah, it is bulkier than the illuminating powder. So yeah, I don't have the I don't have the foundation yet to fill in, but I am so kilig. I've got this. This design is really yeah. So okay, let's move on to the next box. Moving on to the next box. These are the lipsticks and the lipstick case. So pretty lipstick case, guys. Yeah. And another freebies. So let's start with the lipstick. Another gold packaging. So pretty gold packaging, but on top it is silver. Same as their midnight blue packaging. Silver yung on top. Yeah. I wanted to get one more shade, but unfortunately out of stock already. So this is how the lipstick looks like, you guys. The design, OMG. Do you see it? This is the back. This is the front. This is, by the way, in the shade 284. Moving on, guys. Another lipstick. This is Dior Forever Liquid Sequin. Yeah, this is in the shade 100 Dreams. I wanted to have another shade, you guys, but currently unavailable. I wanted to get the shade Dazzle. It looks pretty. But sadly, I cannot get my hands on anymore. So this is shade 100. Maybe I'll do another video for the swatches, guys, huh? So today only haul because it will take long. And this one is the lipstick case, you guys. OMG. How stunning is this? I'm so kilig. Really pretty lipstick case. And the lipstick that I've got for this case is not new. But I really wanted to try this. This is 526 Mallow Rose. This is how the lipstick looks like, you guys. This is not new. This is from the permanent line. They have released new shade for the Christmas collection, but I don't think I need those. I wanted this shade. So yeah. I will be doing another video for the swatches, okay? So these are the lipsticks that I've got. Lipsticks and the case that I've got from this holiday 2024 collection. Moving on, guys, to the last box I've got. This one is so special. Yeah. So I've got the iconic palette, guys. They release this every year, but this time is my very first to purchase. That's how the box looks like, guys, inside. Lot of tissue paper. It's the one I've got. This is the iconic eye makeup palette. This is my very first iconic palette, guys. I haven't purchased their iconic palette in the past years. This is my very first. So this is how it looks like. You all know, guys, first time is so special. So I really feel this is so special. This is so stunning. OMG, I am so kilig. The detailing, guys, OMG. So this is how it opens. And ta-da! Comes with a brush. Beautiful brush. We don't need this protector, so let's remove that. And put back the brush. It's my very first iconic Dior palette, guys. I will do different video for the swatches and demo, so stay tuned for that. Yeah. So yeah, I'm not going to touch it yet, guys. You know. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and stay tuned for the next video. I will feature the Dior holiday set that I've got in the beautiful Dior gifts. Yes. So thank you for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. So okay guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for your time. I hope you enjoy this video and see you on my next one. Stay beautiful, stay kind. Bye.